Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to custom your login page in Salesforce Community Cloud. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, you will need first to go to your setup for your organization. So from here, we click on setup. And basically, you will need to already have your own domain for your Salesforce. So here you will need just to search for my domain, and as you can see we will find these company settings. So here we can find the routine policies, redirection, and authentication configuration, and here where you can be able to start configuring your login. So here in the domain settings, make sure that you already have your own domain. And after that, you will need just to go and click on edit the authentication configuration. And from here, you will be able to start changing the background color of the login. So if we go to login.salesforce, so from here, this is the logo, this is the background, and from here the right frame URL, which is this one. So this frame you can give a URL for any link of your image or anything. So basically make sure to have the login page type as standard, which is this standard, and you will need just to add the logo file. So you will change the Salesforce, the background color, which is this one, and of course from here you can choose whatever you like. You can it can be like this or whatever, and of course you can use the native browser for user authentication on iOS, etc, etc. After that you will need just to click on save, and that's it. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.